Good morning children. Today 5th class mathematics. Today we have to discuss about the new topic, that is division. This all have to completed I think in your previous class, means like 4th class that. Now we have to recall once again. Here today our topic is division. That is in your textbook page number 85. Textbook page number 85 is there. Okay children. After the class you have to open your textbook and have to check it once. That is dividing 5 digit number by 2 digit divisor. Okay, exercise 3.4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They given 5 digit number and have to divide with the 2 digit number. First of all, you have to arrange the numbers 18. Okay, and this given number 41, 26, 2. Okay, so you have to write down quotient up and it is called the divisor. It is divisor. It is called dividend. Which answer you are getting? It is called as quotient, and what is the remainder? Remaining number it is called as remainder. Now you have to check it. 18 table. In 18 table when you will get 41. Means you have to write down the 18 table first. 18 ones, 18. 18 twos. How much? 2 8s are 16. 2 ones to 3. 18 threes. 18 threes. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s 3, 4 5, 54. But we have here 41. So, it is, you have to take 18 twos, 36. 18 twos, you have to write them up. 36, 3, 6, minus. 1 minus 6, not possible. So, you have to take borrow from here to here. 11, this 1 become as 11. Why? Because we are taking 10's place to 1's place. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. 10 plus 1, 11. Here 3 remaining. Now 11 minus 6. You have to count from 6 after to 11. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 is our answer. You have to write down 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 means don't write any number. Next, you have to take this 2 here. Okay, 52. But here also 18 is 54. Here also you have to take 18 twos, 36. Again do the subtraction. Okay, here 2 minus 6 not possible. Again take borrow means this become as 12. This 5 become as 4. 12 minus 6. 6 after to count up to 12. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 is our answer. 6 write down here. 4 minus 3, 1. 16. Okay, so this 16 won't come in the 18 table. Again you have to take this 6 here. Okay. So 166. Again you have to write down the 18 table, continue. 4 8s are 32. 72 here. 18 5s are 5 8s 40. 5 1s 5 plus 4 9. 18 6 are. You have to multiply like this also, you are getting easily. 6 8s are 48. 6 1 is 6 plus 4 10. Okay, and here 18 sevens. 18 sevens. 7 8s are 7 8s how much? 56. 5 here, 6 here. 7 1 7. 8 9 10 11 12. Here compare this number and this number. Here 166 is there. Here 126 is there. So you have to take 18 6 108. 18 6 Okay, and have to check this 18 eights also. 8 eights 64. 8 ones 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 144. Compare these numbers and these numbers, which is the small number, children ones. 166 or 144. 144 only small number. Again you have to write down 18 nines. 18 nines 72. 9 ones 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 162. 18 tens 180. Okay, so you have to take 18 nines are 162. Nines are 162. 6 minus 2 4. This one 0. Again 2 remaining. When you will get 42, we won't get in the 18 table 42. So again you have to take 18 twos are 36. Minus 2 minus 6, how much? Not possible. Again take borrow. This becomes as 12. 12 minus 6, 6. So it is called remainder. And it is called quotient. Okay, it is 5-digit number division by 2-digit divisor. This is how to do the process. Now here checking also is there. For checking we have one formula. What is the checking formula means? It is dividend. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Means here you have to observe this. What is the quotient? 2292. 2292 into divisor. What is the divisor? 18 is the divisor. 18 plus how much the remainder? 6. 6. Okay. If you want means you have to check this, you will get the same number. 2292 into 18. 8 twos are 16. 1 here, 6 here. 8 nines 72. 72 plus 1, 73. 16 means 6 cut and 8 here, 1 in the carrying. Again 72 plus 1, 73. 3 cut and 8 here, 7 is the carry. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 7. 16 in the mind, take 7 fingers. 16 after. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. 3 cut and right here 2 again next place regrouping. Again 2 8 16. 16 plus 2, 17, 18. 1's place completed means 0. Now 10's place number 2, this 4-digit number. 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 9. 1 twos are 2. 1 twos are 2. You have to add this all numbers. 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 plus 3, 12. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, what is the answer? 4140. 1256 plus 6. Okay. 4156 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 2, 1, 4. We got 41262. What is the dividend here? 4 41,262. We got the same answer. Like this, you have to do the division and you have to do the checking verification also. Okay, this is the rough work. Okay, it is the rough work. So today your homework is complete in maths notes. Complete in maths notes. Exercise 3.4. Only 2,3. 2,3 problems. That is page number 85. Okay children, this is your homework. In your textbook page number 85. They given 3.4. Divide and check the answers. Only first one I explained. You have to finish 2 and 3. Only these 2 questions. Okay. This is your homework today. Thank you. Open your notebook. You have to write down date and date. Copy this all. And you have to do 2 and 3 problems in your maths notebook. It is your homework today. Thank you.